The fossils in my collection today look nothing like they did when they were first found. This series is a chance to look at the fossils before and after preparation and introduce you to my digital fossil collection that will feature many of the fossils that have been found on this channel.
People often ask me what's the best weather to go fossil hunting in, and I will say, whatever weather you'd like. For example, this is what I'm going fossil hunting in today. So that's it for the trip. Really productive actually. I've never been to Ravenscar before, so very much an exploration for me. We went because it's got ammonites that are rare for Whitby, some that I've never seen before, and definitely fossil hunting for them is a bit different there. So I think it was a pretty good trip all in all. So I just want to highlight some things. So the Grammoceras is the species from that area that's particularly sought after. So that's what this is, this big one here. And I split a few other rocks off camera, so there's a nice little one there. There's some more in this block, another one up there. And here's that block after preparation. I know beforehand you didn't get to see very much of it, but it had a bunch of different Grammoceras, and as you can now see, there's a bunch of beautiful Grammoceras that have been fully prepared. Unfortunately the big one, the middle is gone, and that's just how it goes sometimes. Same as that Holgia from Ravenscar as well. Part of why I would like to get somewhat better at prepping myself is so that I can do some of these preps, get the middles exposed, and then if I need to send them off, get them sent off for finishing. What you might also be able to see on both this one and this one is that a lot of the original shell is now gone, but it does allow you to see those beautiful suture leafy patterns just up here. So it's a beautiful block, and also shows you sort of the matrix you need to look for sometimes down there is it's these really shelly blocks and that have a lot of the Grammoceras individuals in them that you need to split down. So beautiful little fossil, nice to be able to show off some more fossils from Ravenscar, especially having just been there hunting again. So nice to do, nice to see, and as always the 3D model is coming up after this.
And here's that beautiful fossil in 3D. You can have a look yourself. It's on Sketchfab as per usual. You see the large ammonite slightly missing its middle, although if you zoom in you can just about see the chambers here inside where the fossil should have been. One other thing that I think is quite cool is I didn't show it on the actual fossil, but this ammonite here, this other big Grammoceras, if you flip it around you can see where there is a hope that it might actually come all the way through, and there's a preserved part of another Grammoceras here, but it wasn't well preserved, so the prep never happened fully on this side, but it's the one that comes through. Yeah. So quite fun, beautiful specimen, now available on Sketchfab if you want to have a look, spin it around, play with it in 3D. So thank you for watching, and we'll be back again with the next hunt on Wednesday. And I will be currently, when this video is coming out, in Isle of Wight, so make sure you are around to keep an eye on all the videos that are going to be coming out of the Isle of Wight. Hopefully some dinos.